Welcome everyone, I have some bad news and I have some good news. Let's start off with the bad news. About 2 days ago, Tutorbox revoked. Now you really should be following the revoke checker Twitter, because this will let you guys know first once a Tutorbox is revoked. And you can see it actually happened Feb 12th, it's currently February 13th, so I guess a day late, but the revoke check would have told you right away. And the thing is, you could actually use DNS Cloak to keep your apps working even after the revoke, but by now it probably would have been too late to do that. However, the good news, the reason why I'm still making this even though it's like a day late, is because guess what? There's a brand new certificate, and with DNS Cloak you can install it even though it's revoked, right? And so I'm going to quickly show you that is working. Now I've seen the comments, a lot of people having issues, and I've seen all the things people do, and they keep on doing this process wrong. So I probably will have to make another video on it. Let me delete the old Tutorbox. So if you want to see an updated video on how to install the revoked Tutorbox, do let me know in the comments, and I will do that. So let's just wait for Tutorbox to install. And you can see, even though Tutorbox is revoked, you can see, there we go, it's fully working. So we can just trust the certificate, general, and then device management. We can just trust this. And yeah, everything's fully working. So that's really all there is to it. Yeah, see you guys later. Bye bye.